All right, so anyway, you have to fill these up with water. So you get this baby going. You make it nice and, you know, like, see that? Just like dripping it in. And it fills. And then this is going to just give water over time to your plant. And then you don't have to water them every single day. And it saves you a lot of time and keeps your plant super healthy and full of water. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this one in this hanging plant here. And you gotta kind of bend her up and then just shove it in. Here we go. Ah, there we go. All right, that's in there. I think it's gonna leak out the bottom, but that may work. All right, we're gonna do one more. We need the water just dribbling out. Makes it easier to fill up. She wants it all the way up. All right, that should do it right there.
Does that look all the way up?
That's all the way up.
No, it's not.
Oh my gosh.
You got 2 inches.
An incredible pain in the butt. All right, so now let's go ahead and put this out here. I'm not too sure about these air ferns, how it's gonna work on them, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. All right, so I'm gonna try this one right here. And we're gonna try to put this right in the middle. Like that. Done. How's that? All right, that's how you do it. Now you don't have to water this every 10 minutes. Well, I mean, like, we only water these once a week. These are all air ferns. But now they should be, with the new bulbs, we should be good. We're gonna do all of them. Smush on it. All right, I think I got it. It's tripping. I don't know if that's gonna work because it's going so fast. Got that one.
How many I got left? 2.
That one. That one.
So I'll probably do these 2, so I don't have to do this end anymore.
You got it?
You have to do it kind of at an angle. And
See, those are a little harder to get them in there. I think you might have it. All right, here we go. I already got one in that.
you reach this one?
You want to put it in that one?
Yeah.
I don't know if we can get it in
You
there.
need it
Here.
at an angle. Screw it. It'll go. A little more. Yeah. Okay.
Good?
That's it.
All right, so we got bulbs everywhere.
Well, let's see if that helps me. Tired of watering and bringing the hose in all the time.
Hopefully we won't have to bring the hose in so much. So we got a couple here. All right, we're gonna see if these suckers work, and if they do, I will report back to you. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.